Here I have my 4-pack of cleaning sponges. I've actually been seeing these and I'm so excited to finally get my hands on these. I'm going to go ahead and show you what they look like. So each sponge is individually wrapped. The great thing about these is that they are super absorbent. So all you want to do is put them in water, squeeze them out, and now they are ready to use. The great thing about these is that they have a multiple usage, so you could actually use them multiple times. Once you go ahead and wet them, use them, just go ahead and run them underneath water again to rinse them out, and then squeeze out the water, lay them out, and then they are dry and ready to use for the next time. The great thing about these is that you could use them on blinds, on baseboards, on counters, and they don't leave any streaks. So I absolutely love that they are super absorbent. I'm excited to finally get my hands on these. They are cost efficient, and also there is a variety of colors. So definitely would recommend. I'm gonna go ahead and show you the texture of them. They also have little ridges right here, so makes them easy to get in those areas, but they are so nice, so squishy, cloud-like material. So I would definitely recommend.